Live streaming, also known as RTMP-based streaming, is an additional feature available on demand for customers who want to broadcast their conferences online with higher video quality and with multiple cameras. To receive a video stream in the ClickMeeting event room, you need to create one first. To do this, you will need a separate software. An example of a free solution that works with ClickMeeting is OBS Studio. We're ready to get started. Open your ClickMeeting webinar room and look for the live streaming service in the left menu. If you don't see this option in your menu, make sure you have purchased the appropriate add-on. To do so, contact our sales team using the link in the video description. First, run the streaming setup. To do so, click Yes and wait a moment. You have just successfully generated the server address and the broadcast key. They will be needed in your streaming encoder software to establish a connection with ClickMeeting. Copy them one by one and paste them into your software. We demonstrated this process using the OBS as an example. When you are ready, just start streaming. Now go back to the ClickMeeting room and click Next. Wait a moment until the connection is established and hit Next one more time. When you press Start Streaming, the video and audio from the stream will be displayed in the ClickMeeting event room. Please note that the video stream is now displayed in the same area of the room as the standard presentation, screen share, or whiteboard. You can switch between them back and forth anytime you wish. It is a good idea to hide the standard AV when live streaming. To do so, select the settings icon and turn off the Show AV Pod option. In the bottom section of the screen, you can choose the resolution of the video you broadcast to the event attendees. If the connection of any of them does not allow such high video quality, it will be automatically lowered for a specific attendee. It is worth noting that due to the high quality, audio and video during live streaming are delayed a few seconds. If you need more detailed instructions on using ClickMeeting live streaming services, check out our ebook linked here.